right, so let's dive into this week's deep dive.
Sounds good.
All right. So you're at a cocktail party and somebody just brought up Jupiter.
Oh,
And you want to sound like you know what you're talking about.
of course.
So we're going to arm you with the facts.
All right.
Based on episode 197 of Cocktail Party Chemistry, we're going to talk about Jupiter's chemical makeup.
Okay.
5 key facts to make you a Jupiter expert at your next party.
I like it.
So let's start with the basics. What's the sort of chemical recipe of Jupiter?
Well, you know, when you look at Jupiter and you think about what it's made of, it's really similar to our sun. It's mostly hydrogen and helium.
Wow.
Over 99% of its atmosphere is just those two things.
Over 99%.
Yeah.
So it's really just a giant ball of gas.
Well, not entirely.
Okay.
It's mostly hydrogen and helium, but there are some other compounds in there.
Okay.
Things like methane, ammonia, water vapor,
Oh.
that just trace amounts, but they actually have a big impact.
I mean, those are all things we have on Earth, right?
Yeah, they're common compounds,
Yeah.
but they create some really interesting and spectacular weather patterns on Jupiter.
So these trace compounds are important, even though they're just trace.
Exactly. They're key ingredients in the clouds that we see.
Speaking of clouds, I know that Cocktail Party Chemistry talked about ammonia clouds.
Right.
What's the deal with those?
So high in Jupiter's atmosphere, the ammonia actually forms clouds.
Wow.
They're made of ammonia crystals.
So instead of water vapor, we have ammonia.
Yeah.
Wild.
Pretty different, huh?
Well, all this swirling gas and weather makes me think about the Great Red Spot.
Yeah.
That's a storm that's been raging for centuries.
That's huge.
What causes that red color?
You know, that's something that still puzzles scientists.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
We know it's a big storm. We know it's been around for a long time, but the exact chemistry of what makes it red,
Yeah.
we don't know.
So even with all of our scientific advancements,
Yeah.
we still can't figure out what makes it red.
It's a really complex system.
Wow.
And there's still a lot we don't know about planetary atmospheres.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So we got hydrogen-helium trace compounds making crazy weather,
Right.
a mysterious red spot.
Yeah.
What else is going on this planet?
Well, if we go deeper into Jupiter, way down to the core,
Okay.
the pressure there is just unimaginable. And it actually does something incredible to hydrogen.
Okay, now we're talking.
Yeah.
What happens to the hydrogen?
It turns into metallic hydrogen.
Metallic hydrogen.
Yeah.
I've never even heard of that.
It's pretty wild.
What is it?
Well, think about hydrogen. Normally it's a gas.
Yeah.
But under these pressures, deep in Jupiter, it acts like a liquid metal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it can conduct electricity, and scientists think that that metallic hydrogen is actually what's causing Jupiter's really powerful magnetic field.
Really?
Yeah.
So Jupiter's more than just a big ball of gas.
Definitely.
It's got this amazing chemistry going on.
Yeah.
With these trace compounds causing weather and this metallic hydrogen and a magnetic field.
It's a wild place.
That's amazing. And it makes you wonder what else might be out there in space.
You know, that's what I love about it. Studying planets like Jupiter gives us a glimpse as to how diverse the universe is.
You know, thinking about it now, I think we might have missed something.
Oh.
We were talking about the clouds and those trace compounds, and then we went straight to the core.
Yeah.
Did we skip over anything in the atmosphere?
You're right. You bring up a good point.
Okay.
We were so focused on the extreme stuff deep down that we forgot to mention something really important about the atmosphere.
Okay. I'm intrigued. What did we miss?
Well, remember those trace compounds?
Yeah.
The methane, ammonia, water vapor.
Right.
It turns out that they interact with each other, especially under Jupiter's intense radiation, and they create a mix of organic molecules.
Wait a minute. Did you just say organic molecules?
Yeah.
As in the building blocks of life?
Exactly.
Now
I'm not saying there are aliens on Jupiter.
Okay.
But
yeah.
the fact that those organic molecules are there is really interesting. It makes you wonder about the possibility of prebiotic chemistry happening in Jupiter's atmosphere.
So Jupiter's not just a giant of gas and storms. It's also a place where the ingredients for life are just swirling around.
It really makes you think the chemistry of life might not be unique to Earth. It could be happening in other parts of our solar system or even on other planets in other star systems.
Wow, that's a pretty profound thought.
Yeah, it is.
So just to recap, we have this incredible gas giant.
Right.
With this diverse chemistry, hydrogen and helium make up most of the atmosphere.
Yeah.
But those trace compounds create the weather, the Great Red Spot, and even those organic molecules.
And deep down, you've got that metallic hydrogen creating a powerful magnetic field.
Jupiter is truly amazing.
It really is.
This deep dive has given me a whole new appreciation for it.
I'm glad to hear that.
It's not just a bright dot in the sky anymore.
Right.
It's this dynamic world with all this complexity.
And we learned all that from just 5 key facts.
I know, right? Imagine what we could learn if we really dug deep into Jupiter's chemistry.
There's so much more to discover.
It makes me want to grab a telescope and just stare at Jupiter, knowing everything that's going on under those clouds.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
It's fascinating.
You know, you've inspired me to do some more research.
Right.
And I bet our listeners are feeling that same spark of curiosity.
I hope so.
I hope so, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
So to anyone listening, if you're ever at a party and Jupiter comes up, you can wow everyone with your knowledge.
Yeah.
You can tell them that Jupiter and the sun have the same main ingredients.
Right, hydrogen and helium.
Exactly.
Simplest elements.
And don't forget those trace compounds.
Yeah.
Even though they're traces,
right.
They're what cause all the crazy weather.
They make those beautiful bands and storms.
Yeah.
And, of course, the Great Red Spot.
That's right, a centuries-old storm.
Unbelievable.
And to really blow their mind,
okay.
Tell them about metallic hydrogen.
Yes.
Deep inside Jupiter.
Way down in the core.
It's like liquid metal.
It's wild.
Creating this massive magnetic field.
Bigger than anything we have here on Earth.
Amazing.
It really is.
Well, huge thanks to you.
Oh, you're welcome.
For this incredible deep dive into Jupiter.
Happy to be here.
It's been truly enlightening.
It's such a fascinating planet.
And to everyone listening,
yes.
Remember this was all inspired by
Episode 197.
Episode 197 of Cocktail Party Chemistry.
Of Cocktail Party Chemistry.
So if you want to learn even more,
yeah.
Be sure to check it out.
Definitely.
All right, until next time, keep looking up.
And keep asking questions.
Who knows? Maybe someday.
What?
We'll be sipping cocktails on a space station.
Oh, wow.
Looking out at Jupiter together.
That would be amazing.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Yeah, so next time you're at a party and Jupiter comes up,
okay.
You'll be right.
I'll be right.
With all these amazing Jupiter facts.
Jupiter fact?
Yeah, like did you know Jupiter and the sun have the same main ingredients?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Hydrogen and helium, mostly.
Yeah.
It's true.
It's amazing, right?
It is.
They're both giant balls of gas, basically.
Yeah, don't forget those trace compounds.
Oh, right.
They might be trace,
yeah,
but they're important.
They're what cause all the crazy storms and those beautiful bands of color.
That's right. And of course, the Great Red Spot.
Oh, yes, the Great Red Spot.
A storm that's been going on for centuries.
Imagine that a storm that's lasted for hundreds of years.
It's incredible. And then, of course, there's metallic hydrogen.
Oh, yeah, that's my favorite.
Deep down inside Jupiter.
Under all that pressure?
Hydrogen turns into
liquid metal.
Liquid metal,
Craziness.
Creating this massive magnetic field.
It's so cool.
So yeah, next time someone brings up Jupiter at a party,
you got this.
I'm going to drop some knowledge on it.
Everyone.
Well, hey, huge thanks to you for taking us on this deep dive.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
It's been a real eye-opener.
Jupiter is a fascinating planet.
It really is. And to everyone listening, remember this was all inspired by episode 197
That's right.
of Cocktail Party Chemistry.
Cocktail Party Chemistry.
So if you want to learn even more, check it out.
Definitely.
All right, until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering about the universe.
And keep learning.
And keep learning.
Absolutely. See you later. SIP May 7.